Hello, this is Kent from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and we just announced an exciting new product to our EasyTest Pool Chemical lineup. That would be the Sustain 3-part chemical system. Today we're going to show you how to use this product to keep your pool algae-free and clear all summer long. The first step is always to balance your pool water, making sure that the pH, the alkalinity, the calcium, and the cyanuric acid are within the levels for your type of pool. Then we'll go to the first step of the Sustain Pool Chemical process, which would be the Summer Shield. This product is available in a 32 and a 64-ounce container, which will treat 10 and 20,000 gallons respectively. To use, simply add into the pool once a summer or one every 150 days into the pool skimmer and allow to circulate for 24 hours. This product also contains a clarifier to keep your pool nice and clear all summer long. The second product is going to be the 3-inch chlorine tablets, which unlike traditional trichlor tablets contain no cyanuric acid. They come in a 16 and a 25-pound container and come with this useful adjustable chlorine dispenser. One tablet will treat 10,000 gallons of water for about 7 days, and this dispenser will hold up to 2 tablets, which can be adjusted to regulate the chlorine usage depending on usage and weather. The final part of this system is the energizing tablets. These are available in a 10, 20, and 35-pound container. To use, you'll add 1 cup per 5,000 gallons of pool water into the skimmer and allow it to dissolve. By using all of these 3 products in conjunction and keeping your water balanced, Sustain offers a algae-free pool chemical guarantee, where if anything were to go wrong, they'll get your pool back to clear. For any other questions, stop by any of our stores, and thanks for watching.